everyone. Today we are going to see how to solve the LeetCode problem of SQL. So we will go to the LeetCode first and see the SQL problem. So actually I have opened the SQL problem, which is the SQL 50, and the problem number is 185, and the problem name department top 3 salaries. So it is actually department wise top 3 salaries. So we have a given a schema. So actually, I will do one thing. I will copy this table, entire problem to the notepad so we can understand it very well. So I'm pasting it here. So we will read it now. So we have given one table employee which has a column name and the type of the data type. ID has an integer type, name has a varchar, salary has an integer, and department ID is also an integer. In the employee table, ID is the primary key for the employee table, and the department ID is the foreign key for the department, which has a ID as a primary key in that department table. So each of row this table is indicates the ID of the department and its name. So the problem statement is a company's executive are interested in seeing who earns the most money in each of the company's departments. A high earner in department is an employee who has a salary in the top three unique salaries for the department. So write a solution to find an employees who are higher earners in each of the departments and return the results in any order. So they want to write a query for the department wise higher salary means the high salary will come up first, then the middle salary, after that the lower salary in that department. So, so we will see the employee one example for that. This is the employee table which is given by the LeetCode. This is the employee table which has a 1 to ID number 1 to 7, Joe to Will, salary has 85,000, 80,000, 60,000, and the department ID is 1221111. Okay, and the department table ID and IT cells, and they are given a sample output. So the departments are grouped together. So the IT came up together, and after that 90,000, 85,000, 85,000 will 70,000. Okay, and they give some explanation to here. In the IT department, Max earns the highest unique salaries, and both Randy and Joe earn the second highest unique salary, and Will earns the third highest unique sales salary. And in the sales department, Henry earns the highest salary, and Sam earns the second highest salary, and there is no third highest salary in the sales department. So you can see here the salaries or the employees are grouped in the IT department or the department wise. The employees are grouped by the departments, and one is IT department, another is the sales department. So we can see here the department ID, department table's ID is actually the foreign key in the employees table as a department ID. So we have to join these two tables by the employees department ID and to the department table 1, 2. So I'll just write it down here. So we will have to join on the employee department ID and department table ID. So the join condition will be like this. E dot department ID equals to D dot ID, and the join type will be inner join, and we will group this entire data by the departments, and we'll order these salary in descending order. So for this particular example, we are actually using the with clause or the CTE, which is also known as common table expression. So I will try to write this query. So I'm opening the with clause and give it as a name as a CT top 3. I'll open the braces and let's say go to the employee table first. So it has an employee table. So it's employee table as an employee, and it has ID and name. So we'll alias the employee table as E. So I will give here the aliases, aliases used. Employee as E and department as D. So our output wants to be an department, employee, and salary. So when we join these two tables, we will be getting E dot name as a employee name, and D dot name as a department name. So we'll use D dot name as department, or select D dot name as department. After that, E dot name as employee, and after that, E dot salary as salary. We'll keep it simple as, and we are using here the dense rank. If you want to understand how the dense rank works, please comment down so I can explain dense rank in thoroughly in the next video. So I will use here the over clause and partition our data by the department D dot name and order the data by E dot salary in the descending order, and we'll give this alias as the R and K, and we'll give the from employee as E, inner join, department as D, on condition. The condition is we have written here that E dot department ID equals to D dot ID. We'll copy this and paste it here. After that, we'll close the braces and write a select statement here. After the with clause, we'll select the department, employee, salary from the top, from the CTE top 3, where, and we are going to filter that result set or CTE set based on the ranking given, where rank is less than or equal to 3, because we only want the top 3 salaries for the each department and give the semicolon. Let's check once again our query. So we'll go to the top with CT underscore top 3. So it remains as keyword is remaining. So after that, we'll take it this. With CT top 3 as select D dot name as department, E dot name as employee, E dot salary as salary. Dense rank, we have used dense rank here. Use the over clause partition by D dot name means the department. Order by E dot salary is order by salary in the descending order, and we give it as a alias as a rank RNK from the employee table as E, and the type of join used inner join department D, and the join condition E dot department ID equals to D dot ID. And after that, we are selecting the departments by filtering and filtering the records. Select department employee salary from CTE top 3, which is the result set of the CTE, where rank is less than equal to 3, because we want only the top 3 salaries of the respective departments. And we already ordered the salaries in the descending orders, so their highest salary will be came up first, and so high salary will be first, after that the middle salary, and after that the lowest salary, or we can say lower salary here, lower salary, and third is the lowest salary. So we'll copy this as solution and paste into the LeetCode. I'll paste it here. We'll check once again our query with CTE top 3 as select D dot name as a department, E dot name as employee, E dot salary as salary, dense rank over partition by D dot name, order by dot E dot salary descending as RNK from employee, inner join department D. Okay, the on condition is correct. Select department from the result set where rank is less than or equal to 3. So we are running this query. Let's see it works or not. So the solution is accepted. So let's see. So you can see department employee and salary. It is given 90,000, 85,000 as in the department is partitioned by department, and the employees given here, then salaries, higher salary is 90,000, 85,000, 85,000. So you can see the output is matching to the output. So we have solved the department top 3 salaries, problem number 185 of the SQL, LeetCode SQL. So if you want new top SQL problems to be solved, please comment down so I can make more videos, and do like, share, and subscribe to your friends. Thank you. Thank you once again.